This is an English Enfield clock movement. We've taken out of the case. We're going to take it to pieces, clean it, check it, boil it, put it back together again, get it running. First thing we'll do is we'll remove the crutch by undoing these two screws here. That out, we'll put it aside. Now we can remove the crutch. So we'll take the hammer off. We don't lose the pin. That has been hammered in seriously. Put it aside. Now it'll be easier to remove the crutch. That over there. Now we'll remove the parts on top of the front plate. Spinning around, we'll get take that circlip, put it over there. Remove the snail. Another circlip here. It's a bit tight, doesn't want to come off. Be careful we don't lose it. Put it aside. Remove the rack. Comes off. Now what have we got in here? That lever there and that one there are held in by little bits of wire. Been bent into an S shape, so we'll remove that. This one down here, straighten it up so we can push it through. Over there. And remove this one. Now, using a 6mm spanner, we'll undo these nuts on the back of the plate. Put them aside. fourth one. Now we'll carefully remove the top plate. Bent bit of wire holding this clutch on here, so we'll remove that. There we go. Pull that out. Now, we can remove that clutch. We'll now remove the wheels, the going side, put them into a tray because we're going to clean them in a moment. Then the parts from the strike side. The vane comes out first, then the fourth wheel, third wheel, second wheel or the star wheel, first wheel, the post, and then both of the barrel springs come out. Now we'll take the springs out of the barrel, clean them, grease them, put them away separately. Then all the brass parts of the clock will go into an ultrasonic, we'll clean it, and then we'll start to reassemble the movement again. Once we've done that, we'll be able to check for end play and to make sure that all the bushings are correct in relation to the pivots, and none of them need rebushing.